Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about safety and health committee. We are from group 4. My name is Takif and my friend Mizan, Dani, and Rafi. The objective of OSHA 1994 is to secure the safety and health and welfare of person at work against risk out of activities at work. Second is to protect person a place of work other than person at work against risk out of the activities at work. Third is to promote an occupational environment for person at work which is adapted to work, adapted to their physiological and physiological needs. The last one is to provide the means to be progressively replaced by a system of regulation and approved industry code to maintain or improve the standard of safety and health.
Present about objective of OSHA 2022. First, objective of OSHA must be formed if there are 40 or more employees. Second, members, representative from management and workers. Third, duties, identify hazards, review accidents, and advise on safety improvements. Fourth, meet at least once every 3 months, keep records for 7 years. And last, penalty, fine up to around 50,000 for non-compliance. Thank you.
Objective of HC to fulfill the requirement of OSHA 1994 to promote the consultation and cooperation between management and worker in upgrading safety and health at work, to provide a two-way communication channel or dissemination of information on safety and health issues, to enhance interest and motivation of all groups of management and worker at place of work in safety and health. Composition of COMITE: Chairman, Employer or Authorized Manager. Secretary, person employed as Safety and Health Officer. If not so, Chairman may appoint another person or SHC may appoint by ballot solid from members. Management representative appointed by employer. Minimum 2 person under 100 employer. Minimum 4 person 100 employer. Worker representative selected by worker, appointed by employer. Minimum 2 person 100 employer. Min 4 person 100 employer. Employer representative nominate from employers. If number exceeded the beginnings ballot, shall present various section of workplace. Any vacancy shall be replaced in the same manner as the previous member. Do not penalize workers who absent due to their duties as SHC members. Removal of COMITE member. Fail to attend 3 positive meeting. Unsound mind. Bankrupt. No longer employee rep. Fraud at dishonesty or moral turpitude. Offense under law relating to OSH. Other criminal offense. Incapable to carry duty as member.
Yes.
I want to present about main function of a committee. First, plans, goals, and strategies. Make collective decision, assign tasks, and manage results. Report progress and solve problems. Follow established rules and specific duties by position. Chairperson, lead and oversee all matters. Vice chairperson, assist and stand in for the chairperson. Secretary, manage document and meeting minutes. Treasurer, handle budget and financial reports. And subcommittees,
Programs plan event flow, logistic prepare equipment and needs, publicity promote and spread information, welfare ensure safety and comfort of participants, and sponsorship secure funding and sponsor. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.